Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will learn how you can rename your device in Windows 11. So there are multiple ways to do that and we will check all of them in this video. We will start with first method. That is the easiest method. So we'll click on start, and if you go to settings, and if you see at the left hand side, you have selected system. So on the very first screen itself, you will see an option to rename your device. There would be an option rename. If you click that, you will get another window where you can type a desired name for your PC and simply click on next and then restart your computer. So if I type any name that I want here, and click next, we will get an option to restart the computer. We will have to restart the computer and our PC name will be changed. So that is the first method. Second method is on the same screen. If you scroll to the bottom, there is an option called About. If you go to the About section of your settings, of your Windows settings, you will see an option to rename this PC at the top right corner. If you click that, you get the same window where you can type a desired name and click on next, and then there will be an option to restart the computer and your PC name will be changed. So I will just show you here. You will have to make sure that there is no space in between and click next. So as I said, as soon as you click next, there will be an option to restart later or restart now. So if you want to make changes, you will have to click on restart now and the computer will be restarted. So I have clicked restart. So our PC has restarted. Now if we click on start and settings, you will see the name of this device has been changed. So I'll close this. Now we will check what are the other methods which can be used to change the name of your device in Windows 11. Now there is one more way you can access uh, the setting to change the name of your device. That is by going to Control Panel. Simply click on the search and type Control and click on the option Control Panel. So once you see the Control Panel, you will have to click on System and Security, and then under System there would be an option Allow Remote Access. Click that. Then click on Computer Name tab and then click on Change. Now just change this to the desired name you want for your computer and then click OK, and there will be a message to restart the computer. Just go ahead and restart the computer and the computer name will be changed. You can change the computer name by using command prompt also. So just click in the search box and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator under command prompt. Click Yes on user account control. So once you have the command prompt open, just type host name and press enter. Now we will type the second command. You can find this command also in the description. And when you copy and come back to this command prompt window, as soon as you right click, your command will be pasted over here. So here you will have to type the current PC name or device name, and you want to rename it to what? That is something you will have to type once you have these uh, uh, once you have this command pasted over here. Simply press enter, and now we got the message method execution successful. We will have to type one more command to restart the computer. So just copy the third command from description. As soon as you right click, the command will be pasted. Simply press enter and the computer will be restarted. Okay, so our PC has restarted. Click on start and then go to settings to check.
So you can see now the name of this device has been changed.
I'll close this.
So that's it in this video. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye bye.